Somnath Bharti has spoken with India today. He says that he will not surrender till the matter is decided by the Supreme Court. This, of course, is the case against him that has been slapped by his estranged wife on domestic violence and charges of torture and abuse, and also an attempt to murder her. His lawyers are now going to approach the apex court tomorrow, and Bharti claims that the Delhi police is working at the behest of its political masters and that their aim from the beginning has only been to arrest and malign him. Ankit Tyagi is now joining us with more details. Ankit, it's clear that Somnath Bharti remains defiant.
That's right, and he has in fact spoken from his hiding to India Today and to TV Network, and he has said that he is going to exercise all legal options that he has before he decides on his next step. He says that the police is working on the behest of political masters, so trying to attribute political motives to the functioning of the police, and has also said that only when the matter is decided in the Supreme Court will he be able to decide on what he has to do next. He also said that he has full hope that he would get some reprieve from the Supreme Court, because he still believes that he has legal grounds to exploit as far as the matter in the court is concerned. He said that the 307 has been unnecessarily slapped on him. So Somnath Bharti has in fact opened up almost a one-way communication, but as of now still in hiding, and Delhi Police Maha is trying its best to get to Somnath Bharti.
And the allegations that Somnath Bharti is making against Delhi police, that they are taking undue interest in his case and only going after him, whereas leaving all other cases aside, similar cases aside rather. Has the Delhi police reacted to any of those allegations?
Well, right, the time when Somnath Bharti gave us that interview in which he made these charges, the very next morning, B.S. Basti, the police commissioner of Delhi, had refuted these charges, saying that Mr. Bharti should rather concentrate on learning how to behave with women rather than telling Delhi police how to go with their investigation. So the Delhi police, of course, not saying anything as far as these allegations are concerned, completely rubbishing these allegations. And the way the relationship between Delhi police, Aam Aadmi Party in general, and the way particularly it has been with Somnath Bharti, one thing is very clear: the Delhi police is not going to budge till the time they arrest Somnath Bharti.
Ankit, stay on with us. We're getting some more breaking news. India Today has accessed details of the Delhi High Court order that rejected Somnath Bharti's anticipatory bail plea. The court has said that the charges against Somnath Bharti are serious and that he should have shown more generosity and responsibility towards his wife and children. The Delhi High Court also noted that the previous FIRs against Somnath Bharti go to show that he is not just violent and outrageous at home, but also before the public at large. Ankit, the remarks that the High Court has made against Somnath Bharti clearly put the onus on him to come out and let himself be questioned in the case, or at least kind of reconcile with his wife. Now, what is the Aam Aadmi Party's take on this entire affair?
The Aam Aadmi Party has tried very hard to distance itself from this entire messy affair of Somnath Bharti. Remember, right from the time Somnath Bharti became MLA for the first time in 2013, then he was made the law minister, despite charges, allegations of violating the dignity of women in that midnight raid in Khirki extension, in which there were some foreign nationals involved.
Yes.
The party backed Somnath Bharti to hilt. But this time, there is nothing that the party seniors say that they can do, and Somnath Bharti will have to fend for himself. Although they have been saying that they're surprised by the way, the quick action that the Delhi police has taken in this case. But yes, they have advised Somnath Bharti to surrender and present himself before the authorities, because he's now proving to be embarrassment as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned.
Surely an embarrassment there for the Aam Aadmi Party that always talked about high ideals, but its own MLAs not living up to its reputation. Many thanks, Ankit, for joining us with those details.